There is a solar eclipse happening on August 12, 2026, and you can see it if you are from Greenland, Iceland, Northern Russia, the Atlantic Ocean, if you're a fish, or in a ship, Spain, and a small corner of Portugal. And these are the places where you can see the partial eclipse. You can take a look at this table to see what is going to happen in your region. NASA is going to live stream the eclipse at that time. Now, solar eclipse occur when sun and the moon comes in a straight line due to the moon crossing the Earth's orbital plane. Moon takes around 29.5 days to revolve around the Earth. You might be asking, then why can't we see solar eclipse every single month? Because moon is slightly tilted around 5 degrees, and every month it takes a different path. The perfect total solar eclipse occurs because the sun is 400 times the size of the moon, and also it is 400 times the distance compared to the moon's distance from the Earth. This makes the moon fit perfectly in size when we look at it. No other planet has a moon that can cover the sun as perfectly as Earth's moon due to equal ratio of size and distance. We can predict when and where the eclipse will happen, and you can be prepared in advance to see it. The moon takes about 2 hours to pass the sun and form the solar eclipse, where the total eclipse only takes around 2 minutes. Solar eclipse of any type can happen 2 to 5 times a year. They occur in the combination of partials, annulars, totals, or hybrids, with one exception. There can never be 2 total eclipses back to back. There are always at least 2 solar eclipses per year, with the most common pairing between the annular and the total eclipse. 5 solar eclipses in one calendar year is very rare. It happened last in 1935 and won't occur again until 2206. Both times the 5 eclipses consist of 1 annular and 4 partials. On average, in any particular spot on Earth experiences a total eclipse of the sun only once every 375 years. But if you take a whole continent into consideration, then there might be more chances of seeing a solar eclipse, but you still have to travel at that particular location to see it. The average of solar eclipse happening is 1 in every 18 months or 2 total eclipses in every 3 years. But that is an average. On one hand, it is possible to have 2 solar eclipses slightly less than 12 months apart. Like for example, total solar eclipse is going to happen on August 2, 2027, and the next one is going to happen on July 26, 2028 is one example. On the other hand, a wait of 2.5 years between 2 total solar eclipses is not that uncommon. Moon is moving away from the Earth by 3.8 centimeters every year. If it seems small, because it is, it will take around 600 million years for the moon to be so far away that there will be no total solar eclipse. If we didn't destroy the planet and survive by then, we might be discussing this thing as a thing in the past. During the eclipse, the temperature drops by 3 to 8 degrees Celsius. In the nature, birds stop singing and fly back to the nest, bees return to the hives, and cricket starts chirping as if it is nighttime. We can also see the sun's corona, which is the sun's outermost layer of its atmosphere. While sun's surface temperature is around 5500 degrees Celsius, the corona skyrockets to temperatures between 1 million to 3 million degrees Celsius. Right before the total solar eclipse happens, we can see the sunlight coming from the edge of the moon, creating a glowing string of beads. The very last bead of light that shines very intensely right before the sun is fully hidden, which looks quite beautiful, is called the diamond ring. Right, seconds before and after the total solar eclipse, we can also see wavy lines of alternative light and dark shadows on the ground. It is also advised to not look at the sun directly, obviously because you can burn retinas due to solar radiation. Also not advised to look directly through binoculars, cameras, or telescopes without adding a solar filter. There are ISO certified glasses to look at the sun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please.